Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be taking you through the process of how you can blur your background, okay? And we're going to be using just CapCut to achieve this. So by the end of this video you'll be able to blur the background of your video with CapCut. So let's go right into the video. Okay guys, so if you want to achieve a blur background, all you have to do is to open your CapCut app. Then you're going to pick the video you want to work on. After you've picked the video you want to work on, then you want to click on effects here. All right, after clicking on effects, you have a video effect, body effect, and photo effect. All you have to do is to go for the video effect. Then we are going to be looking for blur background, okay? I mean blur, sorry. So this is blur. You click on the first one. This is blur. So I'm going to be using this, and the good thing about this is that it's adjustable, okay? You can adjust it the way you want. All right, so I'm going to be setting mine as between 27, okay, or 37. So I'm going to leave it. Then all you have to do now is to drag this blur effect to the end of your video, okay? So I'm just going to do that. I think this is fine. It's too long, safe. Let me cut it. Sorry, the video is too long, so I want to cut it. All right, after I've done this, okay, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this main video itself. Then I'll click on duplicate. I'm going to duplicate it, okay? All right, I've duplicated it. Then on this one I'm going to make it an overlay. All right, the duplicated video, then I'm going to drag it to the beginning of the video that will blurred, okay? Now let me play it. Now you can see my background, so all I have to do now is to click on the overlaid video. I'm going to click on the overlay video and locate remove BG, okay? Then I'm going to be using the auto remover. All right, so before now the auto remover used to be free, but it's no longer free. I've actually done a video on my channel on how you can use this auto remover for free, and you can save it and even upload it on your YouTube channel all for free. Do well to check it out. I'll be leaving the link down below. Do well to check it out. So now I'm going to use the auto remover feature to remove the video background. All right, so now let me give it a play. You can see it's removing already. So I have actually blurred my background. It's as simple as that. So now I'm just waiting for it to load up. After it has loaded up, all I have to do is to save. I mean, is to record my screen, and I'll save it. I've done a detailed video on how you can use CapCut Pro for free. Do have to check it out on my channel. So this is what we have. I have blurred my background. Hey, I'm seeing double of myself. That's because it hasn't finished loading. So I think it's done now. So background removed, and we automatically have our blurred background. It's as simple as that, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do it to like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next one. Bye.